I'm Dhruti Athre, and let me ask you something really scary here. What if Iran can actually build a nuclear bomb in just 14 days and the world has been pretending not to hear it? Well, a former top insider, somebody who worked directly with Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, just gave an explosive statement. He said that Iran has the knowledge, the technology and the material to assemble a nuclear weapon, and that too really fast. 2 weeks. That is the time period that he openly mentioned. And immediately after this claim, alarms went off in Israel, Washington, and even inside European intelligence agencies. But you know what? Here is the truth. Iran still insists that it does not want the bomb. Tehran keeps on repeating that its nuclear program is for civil power, medicine, and science, and not for war. What a joke. But you know what? They always point to an official religious order from Khamenei, known as a fatwa that bans nuclear weapons. Now let me tell you what's really going on here. Can Iran secretly cross the red line? Or is this just psychological warfare that is meant to keep Israel and the US really nervous? What we know so far is this. Iranian nuclear sites are getting rebuilt and upgraded. After the recent United States strike that damaged some facilities, Iran's president, Mr. Pezeshkian, said that they would rebuild them even stronger and more advanced. That means newer centrifuges, faster uranium enrichment, and deeper bunkers. In the meantime, Israel is in full panic mode. Israeli intelligence has always believed that Iran is closer to a bomb than they admit. Because if Iran hits the bomb-ready stage, Israel knows that its entire security doctrine will collapse overnight. And this is why Israeli leaders threaten military action again and again, because for them, a nuclear Iran is not a theory. It is an existential nightmare. And don't forget here, Russia and China, they are closely tied to Iran now. Russia depends on Iranian drones in the Ukraine war. China depends on Iranian oil to run its economy. So if Washington tries to pressure Iran, Tehran is not isolated anymore. It now has two nuclear superpowers backing it in different ways. But you know what? None of the superpowers, they were able to protect Iran from the previous strike. But make no mistakes here, the risk is always there. So this statement has opened a new dimension, I would say. If Iran truly can switch on the bomb in just 2 weeks, then the entire Middle East is sitting on a hair trigger. One wrong calculation, one Israeli strike, one American covert operation, and we can enter the most dangerous nuclear standoff of the century.